Get ready to experience the perfect blend of versatility, comfort, and innovation with the 2026 Toyota Estima, a minivan that redefines family travel and practicality. Whether you're shuttling the kids, embarking on a road trip, or simply running errands, the latest Estima is designed to make every journey enjoyable. The 2026 Toyota Estima features a sleek and contemporary design, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that exudes sophistication. The aerodynamic profile is complemented by available 18-inch alloy wheels, while the sliding rear doors and streamlined roofline enhance functionality and style. At the rear, signature LED taillights and a subtle spoiler add to the Estima's modern and practical aesthetic. With multiple trims, including the luxury-focused G Edition and the hybrid-efficient S Edition, the 2026 Estima offers a style for every family. Step inside the 2026 Estima, and you'll find a spacious and tech-forward cabin designed for comfort and convenience. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system pairs with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest multimedia services. Premium materials, including available leather-trimmed seats, heated steering wheel, and ambient lighting, create a refined atmosphere. The versatile seating configuration accommodates up to 8 passengers, with available captain's chairs and a panoramic sunroof for added luxury. A 12-speaker JBL sound system ensures every journey is accompanied by premium audio. The 2026 Toyota Estima offers a range of efficient and reliable powertrain options. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine, producing 197 horsepower, delivers a perfect balance of performance and fuel efficiency for everyday driving. A 3.5-liter V6 engine, available in higher trims, generates 295 horsepower for those who need extra power for long trips or heavy loads. All models come with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, ECVT, for smooth and efficient power delivery. The 2026 Estima is equipped with Toyota's latest safety and driver assistance features, including Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control and lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert for added confidence, panoramic view monitor with 360-degree cameras for enhanced visibility, advanced park assist and pre-collision system with pedestrian detection for stress-free driving in all conditions. The 2026 Toyota Estima is the ultimate minivan for families who want versatility, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. With its sleek design, spacious interior, and advanced features, the Estima is ready to make every journey enjoyable. Are you ready to redefine family travel?